I think the Creative Workshop is a magical place to go.
For more than 75 years, we've been serving adults and kids of all ages in hands-on art making, drawing and painting, ceramics, fiber arts. The Creative Workshop was one of the first art-making institutions within a museum in the United States. It's one of the things that makes us really special in the Rochester and Finger Lakes community is that we are an art-making program that is tied to a museum.
The fact that we can just take a group of kids on a 10-minute walk across the building to go see some really famous artwork is very exciting.
The community that's built in the Creative Workshop is one of my favorite things about what we do.
They don't have to worry about being critiqued. They are encouraged to explore.
There's a nice balance of people who've done it before and people who've never done it before.
And then some students have been taking classes together for decades, and they've built deep relationships with their instructors and their fellow students. And coming to the Creative Workshop is like coming home to them every week. We have amazingly gifted instructors who are what we call teaching artists, which means they're teaching, but they're also working artists in the community.
When I was a kid, I actually took classes here.
I was a student of the Creative Workshops years ago.
Our teachers are patient, they are encouraging, they are inspiring.
I'm asking questions, I'm creating the space for them to fill it with their own answers.
So when people teach here at the Creative Workshop, they're committed to it.
You have teachers that want to share what they know.
I really love my coworkers here. It's a really cool community of people.
Our summer camp programs run from June through August, and there are a variety of different programs that campers can participate. And then our birthday parties are a huge hit.
Having a party at the Creative Workshop is really fabulous because we take care of everything for you. We do the mess here so you don't have to do the mess at home. There's art making that happens in every single party. We will also play some games, and we also get to go up to the museum and look at the art in the Memorial Art Gallery.
The Creative Workshop is home to the Lucy Byrne Gallery, which is a free gallery space in the Creative Workshop at the MAG, dedicated specifically to student and faculty shows. As part of our effort to be a generous institution, the Creative Workshop has a really robust scholarship program, and we'd love to see you in here to make art.